How to enable dark mode in Google Maps. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to enable dark mode in Google Maps. To do this, you have to follow the simple steps. So what you want to do is first of all open your Google Maps. After you have enabled or when you open up these application, now click on the initials from the top right hand side corner and go to settings from the list. After you go to settings, then you could find a lot of options, right? So click on theme, after which you could see always dark mode, or you could always go ahead and click on this options. As you've done it so, click on the save button, and as soon as you've done it so, you've successfully enabled dark mode in Google Maps. To disable the dark mode option, you have to do the same thing, that is same as device theme, and click on the save button. And this is how you'll be able to enable dark mode in Google Maps. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.